Cheers, a glass of wine. Cheers. Welcome, guys.
Cheers.
And if you don't,
I have just checked into the Marival Armony. Look at the view that I've been greeted with. The sunsets on the west side of Mexico are always stunning. People are still swimming. I think it's 28 degrees still. And I have an ocean view room. Clearly. This is a family-friendly resort. Let's have a peek at my room. King-size bed. Lighting on either side. Outlets for your devices. Area for your luggage. Television. Desk with a lamp. And they have kindly brought a bottle of wine for me. And chocolates. Coffee maker. Large bathroom. Makeup mirror that's lit. And a very large shower with a rainfall waterhead. There is a safe and a mini fridge with water, juice, Pepsi, and Corona. This room does have a connecting door, so if you feel you want to be next to your other family members, it's definitely possible here. Overhead fan. I love the plank floors. There's a wardrobe with ironing board, iron, housecoat, hangers, and some shelving. The luggage rack also has 4 drawers. That would accommodate all of your clothes for at least a 1-week stay for sure. But I'm thinking that this is the pièce de résistance. Isn't this magnificent to sit out on the balcony and enjoy this beautiful view? bathroom does have amenities. There is some shampoo, conditioner, soap, bath mat, and towels. And underneath, hair dryer. This is a luxurious one-bedroom suite, standalone tub, which is very romantic. Shower with a waterfall shower head, double sinks, king-size bed, outlets for your devices, stunning view, and an actual living room with a TV, sofa, chair. It is connecting if you want to have an extra bedroom. There's a bar, and it has a second bathroom.